Welcome to a demo of iReward, our token board app to reinforce behaviors with visual rewards. Note that on the first screen, you can instantly get to help by tapping on the question mark, or you can go to Info, where you can email us directly and check out our website. You're first presented with a list of names. Names help you organize your rewards. Let's create a new name. There are three ways to get pictures into iReward. You can do a Google image search, you can select pictures that are on your device in your camera roll, and if you have a device with a camera, you can take pictures on the fly. Here we're going to select a picture from our camera roll. When you add a picture to iReward, you'll get this delete icon here in the upper right so that you can remove pictures from names and rewards. You can choose a custom background color, and you can choose what type of token is on your token board. You have the option to play the keyboard cat video when all tokens are completed on a reward. You also have the option to add or remove just one token at a time when you load a reward. And you have the option to sort by reward name or behavior name. To delete a name or reward, just swipe across the row and tap the delete button. When you tap on a name, you're presented with a list of their rewards. Note that if you want to edit a name and change things about a name, tap on the Edit Name button here in the lower right. Let's create a new reward. You can have up to 20 tokens on a board. Here we're going to do 5. You have the option of having 2 pictures on a reward. Using these 2 pictures, you can do a first, then type reward. Here we're going to do a Google image search to get our 2 images. I'm going to look for a picture of a clean room. Now you can flick left and right to find the image that you're looking for, and then save it to your camera roll. Once it's saved, we can select it. We want this to be our first picture. Now let's find some ice cream. Again, we flick until we find the picture that we're looking for, and we save it to our camera roll. This will be our second picture. Now you also have the ability to record custom audio for when all the tasks are completed. Just tap on the record button. Thank you so much for cleaning your room. Now we can go get ice cream. Tap stop and you can tap play. Thank you so much for cleaning your room. Now we can go get ice cream. You can now either re-record or delete. You'll notice that we list the reward and the behavior. We also tell you how many tokens have been earned. Here you'll see 0 out of 5 have been earned. Now sometimes you have a reward that you want to copy to multiple names. To do this, tap copy, then tap the reward, and go to the name where you want to paste. Now let's look at some of the settings for iReward. You can change the row height between small and large for lists. You can enable a sound for when a token is added. And you can lock the app. Locking the app prevents a user from editing or deleting names or rewards or adding tokens when viewing a reward. You need to set the password so that you can unlock the app. Here you'll notice now there's no info or settings bar at the bottom. And when you're on a reward, there's no way to add and remove tokens. To unlock iReward, just shake the device and enter your password. Now you'll be able to add and remove tokens. To lock iReward again, just shake the device. Thank you.